So 49 Ewart Street, what can I say? If you are a coffee lover, this is the place to be. There are about 5 different coffee shops within 800 metres of this house. It is absolutely in the absolute centre heart of Paddington, and it is walking distance to a terrific amount of lovely restaurants, great coffee, breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's all catered for in this location. It's just fantastic. This was the original house on a larger lot, and this particular house was moved over, so it's the corner allotment. The advantage of having the original Queenslander is that it's super solid. It's got all of its lovely breezeways, it's got really pretty fretwork going on, the arches. Those things are really, when they're original, just have an authenticity that doesn't necessarily exist if you're standing in a replica Queenslander. I wanted to also add that there's further scope for this house. You know, it might be on a small lot, but the case is that you can actually raise the house and capture more views of the surrounding area. So everything is in walking distance from this house, and you would never leave it, like it would be the house that you would keep forever.